So 7.3, product and quotient law of the logarithm. So product law, what does it tell you? It tells you if you have a log of two numbers multiplied by each other in front of the log of mn, you can write it as a log of m plus log of n. Basically, multiplication in front of the log will turn to addition of the two log. The reverse is applicable. So if you have a two log added to each other, with same base, you can put it together as a multiplication in front of single log. So quotient law of the logarithm is log of m divided by n. You can write it as log of m minus the log of n. Log of numerator minus the log of denominator. Again, the reverse is, you can think about reverse as well. It is gonna be, if you have a minus between two the log with the same base, you can put it together as a division. Log of the first one minus divided by the second one. Now we can use this log to simplify, right? See, this two addition between these two log is addition. They have the same base, 3 and 3. I can put them together and write it log 7 multiplied by 3 with the same base. 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. Then I will say that this is equal to x. I need to solve for x, right? I will say this is 3 to the power of x. Or you can say that log 21/3 is equal to log 21 divided by log 3, right? Because in the calculator, the log doesn't have any base, means the base is 10. So if you want to do that with calculator, you have to say log of 21 divided by log of 3. Here is another one. We have two log that is subtracted, they have a same base, so we can put it together as a one log. So the first one divided by second one, because between them is minus. Log of 405 divided by 5, which is log of 81 with base 3. 81 is 3 to the power of 4. So you can bring the power in front. It's going to be 4 log 3, right? And you know the log 3 is 1. Basically, it's 4 multiplied by 1, which is 4. So next one, the log of a multiplied by square root of b divided by c power 2. This is a combination of those. The one in numerator, I can write it as addition. So it's going to be log a plus log square root of b minus the denominator, log of the denominator, minus log of c power 2. I can simplify it further. The b square root of b means the power of b is 1/2. That's why I can bring this power in front, which is 1/2. I have log b. Power of c is 2, so I can bring it in front, so I can write it as a 2 log c. And this is the kind of simplification of that. So here is simplify log of x power 2 plus 7x plus 12 minus log of x power 2 minus 9. So between the log is negative and they have the same base, I can put it together. That's the first one divided by second one because between them is minus, right? So I can simplify further, write the numerator in factor form, we'll find the two number that addition is 7 and multiplication is 12. Is 3 multiplied by 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, right? So it's x plus 4 and x plus 3. So x power 2 minus 9, you can use the difference between the perfect square, right? a2 minus b2 is what? a minus b, a plus b. So we use that true. So 9 is 3 power 2. Basically, it's x minus 3, x plus 3. Then x plus 3 and x plus 3 from numerator and denominator cancel as you have x plus 4 and x minus 2. To find the domain and restrictions, you know, we have done it before. The root in numerator is -4. The root in denominator is 3. Basically, you find the zeros of numerator and denominator. Then you put a number line from a smallest. -4 is first, then 3 is second. So you put a line below each, and then you put a test point. Between -4 and 3, you test 0. After 3, you test 4. And here you can test 5. At -4, your function is 0. At 3 is 0. When you put 0 here, you get a negative number. If you put 4, 4 minus 4, 4 minus 3, so you get positive here. You put -5, you get negative in numerator, you get -5 here, negative is positive. So your domain is that the positive one is acceptable because in front of the logarithm is always should be positive. So the domain is x less than -4, even equal, not equal, because if you put equals, it would be 0, and x greater than 3. So these are the restrictions or the domain for the answers. Any question?
No.
Okay, now the worksheet, the question I want you to do, question number 1D, 2D, 3D, 4D, 5B, 6, F, 7D, 8D.